Hey guys, Carlos Romero here, and today we're back with another video. And yes, this is a very, very bad thunderstorm. This mostly came through when we were at Walmart.
Mommy told me.
Yeah, yes she did. Yes, we're gonna get on US 30. We're coming from Mill Creek Square. Almost the same as last week. This was on June 19th. But this one is very intense. Yeah, it is very bad. Yeah. Oh my god, this is very dangerous. And pretty much heavy backup is starting to develop in this area as well. It started to develop in this area. Remove the sidewalk on the left. As you notice, it'll start making sounds. Okay, it stopped making sounds. No, it didn't. It's still making sounds. If you're ever in a thunderstorm like this, I suggest you do not go outside, because if you go outside, you'll see heavy rain pouring down, and if you get close to something that is very electric object, if you get close to an electric object, it'll catch fire. And if you're near an electronic, I suggest do not go near it. Do not go near it. That includes outdoor fast food restaurant menu boards, is it restaurants in general, lights, I don't know, like those lodge lights you see, lamps, and electric billboards. Because those things can be struck by lightning, and it can strike you. So I would suggest not going near those. Good thing this isn't a snowstorm. Because if it was to be a snowstorm, I'm pretty sure this whole summer would be bleeped up immensely. This whole would be fucked up immensely. This whole summer will be, yeah, sorry. If you're ever wondering why this could be bad, this could be bad. This could be bad. The next thunderstorm could be bad. This is meant to be, yeah. this is meant to be bad, so the next one can be good. Like I said, this is meant to be horrible, so that the next one is good. You gotta have your materials to be prepared for thunderstorms, and it's like a world of rain, and then you get like, no, but don't put that there, don't put this in over there. You're like, no, don't put this over there, and don't put that over there. Anyways, you get my point. You get my point. So we're gonna have blue skies all over again. As we're cruising on US 30, this weather will change suddenly. This was a very unexpected thunderstorm. It was expected though. Then it turns unexpected. The weather's changing. Soon we'll have nice blue skies all over again. That lightning strike. Oh no, our car's pulling over. Waiting for the rain to stop.
Getting clear.
Yeah, it's getting clear over there. Alright guys, this is all for today. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next road video coming up soon.